5, 6, 7, 8.
This dance is called Stay Inside, Stay Alive, choreographed by Nora Chuang. It's a 32 count, 2-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, 2 Dorothy steps. Step, lock, step, rock, recover, shuffle a half. Section 2, out, flick the left behind, flick the right behind, left, coaster, step. Section 3, step forward right, side rock recover, step forward left, side rock recover, jazz box, turning a quarter to your right, stepping cross, turn a quarter to your right, side, cross. Last section is going to be hip bumps with John Travolta arm movements. So you're going to point your right toe to the side and you will bump your hips 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and, but at the same time you do arm movements, so it will be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. Then cross your right over your left, unwind a quarter. That's the whole dance. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8.